Hello, we're here with Peter Koltai, Director of Logistics and Production Control for Audi Mexico, a car maker which is in the process of launching a new plant in San José Chiapa in the state of Puebla, and we're very pleased to have him here answering some questions today. Peter, with the upcoming launch in Mexico, what would you point to as the most important project for Audi right now in terms of logistics?
At the moment, we don't have a specific or most important project. We are at a ramp-up phase. We are nearly finished with our factory. So we have to make it sure that our inbound and our in-house logistics is able to manage a serial ramp-up. And very soon, we will challenge our outbound logistics as well.
Okay, very interesting. Obviously, you've had experience with Audi and Volkswagen elsewhere. With this ramp up and launch up, what would you point to as some of the unique aspects of logistics for Mexico?
Mexico is a completely new area for Audi. We haven't been until now on the North American region. So we face with completely new challenges. If we build up a new factory in Europe, we just put this factory into a network of the Volkswagen Group, where we have for the inbound and we have standards for our in-house logistics and for our outbound logistics. In the North American area, many of these standards doesn't work and we don't have a network. So we have to build up, together with Volkswagen, a completely new network for inbound logistics. And we try to mix the European standard and the US or the North American standard. And that's the biggest challenge. For example, we unload a lorry in Europe from the side. You have to do everything from the back here. You have in Europe people, they are generally much higher than in Mexico. The general height of a person is about 10 centimeters lower in Mexico than in Europe. So you have to think about all these topics in your inbound logistics and your in-house logistics.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So there are many challenges, and it's a very interesting project for us.
Absolutely. And we've been talking this morning at the conference about the growth expectations, 5 million plus in the next few years. Looking for Audi, especially exporting so many vehicles and importing some material globally, do you worry or see potential capacity issues for the company?
Well, indeed, we see it. And we have to handle with this capacity restrictions. For example, truck capacity for FPU vehicle transportation, or train capacity to the port of Veracruz, or Veracruz itself as a port. It has very strong restrictions how many cars we can transport over this infrastructural points.
Absolutely, absolutely. And looking ahead a little bit, obviously, perhaps in a year and a half, when you're past the ramp up and the launch, what do you see then as being the next phase for Audi in terms of logistics?
Well, this year and the beginning of next year, as I said to you, this is the ramp up. We have to make it sure that we deliver all the demands to our customers. But after that we have achieved our maximal capacity, continuous improvement. We have to look at all our processes, and then we have to improve them. We have to look at our efficiency. That's the next step of our challenging project here in Mexico.
Absolutely. I'm sure there'll be things for us to discuss over the next few years as well.
Well, yes.
Thank you very much for your time, Peter.
Thank you very much.
And again, Peter is one of our panelists at Automotive Logistics Mexico, and his presentation will be available on our website. Thank you.